archery shop here in Rexburg, Idaho, Mountain Archery, and we're gonna go in and get this Matthews Verdict set up. This is my bow. Well, this is also the same bow that they donated to the Ultimate Hunt Gear giveaway that we're doing. So we're gonna head in here and Hank's gonna help us out. So come on in. What's going on, Hank? Good, man. Hey, you help us get this bow all set up and ready to rock and roll.
Yeah, for sure. What you need?
Just need to throw a peep in it and then, you know, go shoot it in the indoor range here and...
Okay, yeah, let's do it.
You're all set. Got her adjusted. And this is their indoor range, which is really nice because our weather is very sporadic here. And so it allows you to come into the shop here and get your bow tuned up and then come in, throw a few arrows, make some kind of minor adjustments, and then get you all dialed in before you go hit the field.
Centered and it's leveled. That looks great to me. Like, to me, I'm going on with that.
Perfect.
Yeah, that looks great.
I don't know if you guys are getting ready for archery season, but I know I am. I'm getting pretty dang excited. It's just around the corner. One of my favorite tools to use is base maps. We can download some offline maps prior to heading out, scout new areas, make sure we're on public land and we're in the right spot. So it's a very handy tool. You can mark your waypoints on your phone, and the nice thing is when you do that, they transfer over to the computer, so when you get back in the office or at home, you can scout that out and kind of see where you're at and maybe make some adjustments to find the herd or locate the herd or their patterns and different trails and water holes and stuff like that. Very, very handy tool. I don't know if you're using it right now, but it is definitely a tool that we like to use. So base maps, check them out. And anyways, I want to go back to scouting, so you can go away. You're not going to see my secret spot.
Breakfast. A little breakfast skillet. Might be more than I need, but it says it serves 2 people. Should be enough.
So we just up here doing some scouting this morning, and coming up here looking where we're going to set up base camp. And we already kicked up a nice herd of elk, a couple bulls. They're over here talking. We're just going to go peek over here and see if we can't get a look on the bull. He's sitting back in the trace a little bit. So. Video that. Boy. That boy behind him.
Still got my pretzels. Woo! Right up here the day before hunting season. Got the horses, got the mules, got all of our packs set up on the pack mules. We're heading in. Got to go back in and we're going to set up camp so we can be all ready and prepared. So come tomorrow morning, we're ready to rock and roll. So here we go. Hopefully we don't have too many rodeos on the way in.